How to list your car on Booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to talk about listing your car on Booking.com. So first of all, you have to visit the link business.booking.com/corporate cars/renter and then click on register now option. And then you can log in or sign up using your Google or Facebook account or even your Apple account. Next, you have to fill in your work email address, then select your title. Enter your first name, your last name, and then click on continue that is highlighted in blue color. And in the final step, you have to enter the name of the company you'd like to register and also select the number of business travelers in the company. Once you do that, check this box of yes, I consent to receiving marketing emails from Booking.com for business if you prefer. Also check this box for verification and then click on submit that is highlighted in blue color. Now, once you've completed this step, you can add or list your car on the Booking.com platform. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.